3, 2, 1, 0.
Hi there, this is Saktivel welcoming you all to NumberRoyale. We're welcoming Mano, Sujata, Hariharan KS, Sai, SD, P. Sanjay, Strange Thinker, Ratna MJ, Archimedes, Richard, Srinidhi, Birdie Flurry, Mango Matstar, and Hanok. Welcome to each and every one of you. I'm glad you're all staying safe and healthy, and glad to join us this morning here in the US and this night here over there in India. So we've got the elimination match today. $5 to be shared by whoever is standing tall after the 9 puzzles. All right. So simply put, there are 9 puzzles, and you solve them all, you'll get a share of the $5 prize. If you're the only one standing tall, you get the $5. If not, you share it with your other fellow number royals. First 8 questions, you can use life. And the last one, of course, you cannot. And, possibly you can use 2 lives maximum per match. All right. So before we get started, we also have another match coming up in about half an hour at 11 a.m. US time, as well as 8:30 p.m. Indian time. That's going to be one that we are trying with no host, all right, just to see how things work. And we're working towards making matches available to you on demand so that you can set up things yourself, all right. So that's so please play on this match at in another half an hour. Join us and see how things go. Would like to see the results of that. But before we get started, I have a simple riddle, very easy for this crowd. And by the way, I would like to keep it a little bit more challenging. If you don't mind, please don't Google. Just try to get the answer yourself and see if you can get it. All right. So, what is the saddest fruit of all? What is the saddest fruit of all? So, melon? Why melon? Strawberry? Melon? I don't understand the reason, but that's not what I'm looking for. Orange? Apple? Tomato? Tomato is a fruit. One of the, I think, US presidents thought ketchup was a vegetable. So I guess dried dates, onion, melancholy. Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense, Hanto. Yeah, I can see. But I think you're thinking in the right direction. Try that with berries, and I think you may come up with some answer. Dragon fruit. Oh, Eastman got it, of course. Blueberry. Why is it sad? Because it's blue always. So good job. Star, you also got blueberry. So great job, everyone. I'm glad you're all in a good winning mood. So let's play the elimination match. All you have to do is to get the right answer. No need to worry about matching it or not matching it with others, getting unique answers. Just get the right answer, and that's all you got to do. Yes, Cuckoo, we have an 8:30 match, and that's a no host. All right. All right. Thank you for what's poppin'. I appreciate your comment, and some of them are already on the show. They're also watching and playing along. So I'll convey your appreciation to them, and I think they do a great job as well, and that's what makes it possible to do this. All right. So we're working on other wonderful things, and we'll bring them to you as we make them. So let's go. First question. 637. Desired result is 2. It's an elimination match and 8 possible solutions. Every one of them is equally acceptable. And let's see what kind of answers we come up with. We're collecting the answers, and Hariharan, sure, we'll try to keep the 8:30 match, and we're trying this today. 3 out of 8 solutions given. 44 of you have given the correct answer. 38 of you gave the most popular answer, which is 7 minus 6 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. And all of them are equally valuable. 44 of you. Moving on to question 2. 2, 6, and 3. 24 is the desired result. 4 possible solutions. All 4 operators are in play. I hesitated a little bit because I was trying to solve it as I was speaking. And Toast and Ratna MJ and Kausalya got it. And it's 24, 2, 6, and 3. I was thinking, can you just factor it? And is it 8 times 3 is what the answer, most popular answer was. 6 plus 2 is 8. And then 8 times 3 is 24. 31 of you have gotten it correctly. And I hope, for the others who are not getting this answer correctly, I would suggest that you try the practice matches 5 or 10 minutes ahead of time so that you get into the mood of what it is that we're doing, and then you can solve them. All right. So 31 of you, moving on to question number 3. 6, 12, and 3. Desired result again is 24. Boy, what are we doing here? We fixed the desired result or what? 6 possible solutions. All 4 operators are in play. And 6, 12, and 3. Now it's a matter of factoring again. And this time I think it's going to be what? 2 times 12? Is that what we're going to do? Yep. 12 times 6 divided by 3 is 2. Gets you 24. 35 of you have given the correct answer, and 20 of you gave the most popular answer. So great job, everyone. Let's move on to question 4. Decimals. 5.625 is what I'm looking for. 90 possible ways of getting it with just addition and subtraction. 3.6, 9.4, 2.125, and 9.5. 90 possible ways of getting it, and each and every one is acceptable, equally acceptable. And no need for the extra 10 seconds on this. All right, I know you're all getting very comfortable with decimals. Maybe we'll cut down the timing. 34 of you, almost everybody who got question 3 right is also got question 4 right. 21 of you gave the most popular answer. And let's go take a look at question number 5. 73 is the desired result. 24 possible answers with all 4 operators in play. 15, 4, 3, and 10. I saw 73 and I said, is there any factor there? And I cannot think of any factors. It's maybe a prime number, who knows? So you need to multiply, get some number, and then add other numbers, I guess. Is it 4 times 15? Yeah, 15 times 4 plus 10 plus 3 gets you 73. 26 of you have given the correct answer. 32 players have 26 of you gave the most popular answer, and 32 of you have given the correct answer. We've got a whole bunch of you moving on. We have finished the first half of the puzzles. Let's take a look at question number 6. 8, 2, 14, and 4. Desired result is 40. All 4 operators are in play. 42 possible solutions. Let's see. How do you get 40 from 8, 2, 14, and 4? And I got your comment, Kausalya, about the algebra, not the decimals. Okay, so 29 of you have gotten this correctly. It's 14 minus 4 is 10. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 10 times 4 is 40. That's what I was looking for, whether there was a way of, there is somebody else had another creative solution, not the 10 times 4. 14 plus 8 is 22, times 2 is 44, minus 4. So I love the creativity of this crowd. Simply the best, smartest players in the whole world. No, bar none. So let's take a look at the 29 of you moving on to question 7. See what you come up with. 2/3 is the desired result. 2/3, 7 by 2, and 5 by 3 are the operands. All 4 operators are in play. 4 possible solutions. And how do you get 2/3? 2/3 is already there. Normally you say, well, can we get rid of the other two numbers somehow? I don't know how you get rid of it. I guess you have to operate on them, maybe multiplication and division, and get the answer. So let's see. 16 players got it right. 4 out of all 4 solutions are given. It is simply 7/2 times 2/3 minus 5/3 gets you to 2/3. So I guess it was a little bit tough, and 16 of you got it right. Try to use the least common LCD and try to see whether you can get that going. All right. So that would be the simplest way of doing it and the most sure way of getting the right answer. All right. So let's go on to question number 8. 9, 3, 2, and 10. Desired result is 60. How do you get 60? 48 possible solutions. All 4 operators in play. I can see that there is going to be division, there is multiplication, and I think there are 2 multiplications and 1 division. That's what the way I'm solving it. I know this creative crowd would come up with some other solution as well. So I'm trying to see how you're getting that. 22 of you got it. Great use of life. If you haven't used life, this is a great time to use one. Okay, so it's 10 times 9 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 2 is 6. 10 times 6 is 60. So that's given by 11 of you. 22 players and anybody else who used life can move on to question number 3. So algebra is easy. So 9, 2x, 5x minus 4y, 8. And the desired result is 6. 48 possible solutions. And looks like this was an easy one. Somebody is already punching in answers on the chat window. 2,1, 2,2. Wow. So I guess we're giving too much time for algebra, especially this mode. Maybe we'll tweak that a little bit. But the next match will be identical to this, except instead of elimination, I think it's going to be distinct. So let's see. 25 of you have given the correct answer. So great job of coming up with the right answers. And I think you're going to get 20 cents a piece. I have 2,1 as the answer on my prompter here. And so next time you want 3 variables, or we can try something else, right? We can try we should try the last question to be a little bit tougher. I agree with that. Sorry about this phone ringing in the background. And so let's take a look at the winners here. The 25 of you who have won. All 25 of you, we are crowning you as NumberRoyale. Let's take a look at, let me see if I can read all the names. Butch, Deepu Vetri 18, Ratna MJ, Kausalya, Cash Nasty, North Star 90, Birdie Flurry, Deepu 18, Scrappy 434, Cuckoo, Hanok, Haritha Shri, Shaktivel, Strange Thinker, Shah, Richard, Hariharan KS, Jeffrey, Maniraja, Hanto, What's Poppin', P. Sanjay, Archimedes is in play. So we'll be getting Euclid tomorrow, Sujata, and you know me. Congratulations, each and every one of you, and all of you who played. Check us out on the next show. Of course, you won't see me. I'll be, playing along and competing with you guys as well on the match. And let's see. And I think the chat is on, so you can give your feedback. So let's we want to hear your comments, and as always, please feel free to give us email at us info@numberroyale.com or on our Facebook. All right. So we'll make sure that the phones are turned off next time. This is Saktivel signing off, reminding you, without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero. Play NumberRoyale every day. Bye for now. See you on the No Host Show in a few minutes. Thank you.